Students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I'm Sunil Mirwani and today we'll be doing this chapter called as cost reconciliation statement. We're going to do question number 16. This is the following, from the following details of KT and company compute profit as per P&L as well as per cost sheet. That means they've asked you to make a cost sheet. So in the books of KT and company, cost sheet as on, have they given you the date? No, they haven't given you the date. Straight away, particulars, CPU, PC, units. Right? Let's make the format first. Direct material plus direct wages plus direct expenses will give you prime cost. Add factory overheads plus sale of scrap. Add opening stock of WIP less closing stock of WIP will give you work cost. Add office overheads will give you cost of production. Add opening stock of FG less closing stock of FG will give you cost of FG. Add sales overhead will give you total cost. Add profit will give you sales. Right, let's start with the sum. They said that from the following details of KT and company compute profit as per P&L account as well as cost sheet and reconcile the profit between the cost sheet and P&L account, showing clearly the reasons for variation in the two figures. Sales. Now this sales that they've given you is of P&L. So I'm going to make both of them simultaneously, guys. Profit and loss account. Particulars. Rupees. Particulars. Rupees. So that's my profit and loss account. Now, let's start. They've given you sales. So sales will go in sales. Sales is given to you. First I'm making the cost sheet. 20,000. Right? Then you have purchase of material. 3,000. Purchase of material. 3,000. Then you have closing stock of material. They've given you that closing stock of material is 500. So my net amount instead of 3,000 will become 2,500 because this is closing stock of material and not finished goods. Direct wages is given to you as 1,000. Direct expenses are not given to you. So that will come to, prime cost will come to 3,500. Next, indirect wages are given to you as 500. Indirect wages are given to you as 500 and indirect factory expenses are given to you as 2,000. Right? Then you have bad debts is 100, interest on overdraft, profit on sale of assets, selling expenses is 2,000, distribution expenses is 3,000. In the cost sheet, manufacturing overheads are recovered as 300% of direct wages. Now, factory overheads are 300% of direct wages they've given you. In cost sheet, factory overheads are 300% of direct wages. 300% of direct wages will be 3,000. Right? So that will give me my work cost. Work cost will come out to be 6,500. Factory overheads. We've done that. Office overheads, have they said? Selling overheads are this much and distribution overheads are this much. There is no office and administrative overheads. So you will get cost of production is 6,500, no opening and closing stock of finished goods. So cost of finished goods 6,500. Selling overheads is 1,500 and distribution overheads is 700. 15 and 7, 2,200. So my total cost is going to be 8,700. So my profit is going to be 11,300. Plus my cost sheet is ready. Now let's make P&L account. Start again. From the beginning, we start reading again. By sales. Sales is given to you as 20,000. Then you have to purchase of material. To purchase of material is 3,000. Next, closing stock of raw material. Alright, closing stock of raw material. Closing stock of raw material is given to you as 500. Direct wages. To direct wages. Direct wages is 1,000. Then you have two indirect wages. Your indirect wages are given to you as 500. Fine. Next, indirect wages. Then you have two indirect factory expenses. Two factory expenses. Factory expenses are given to you as 2,000. Right? Then you have bad debts. Two bad debts. Bad debts are given to you as 100. Then you have interest on overdraft. Interest on overdraft. The interest on overdraft is 50. Then you have profit on sale of asset. By profit on sale of asset. Profit on sale of asset is 1,000. Then you have selling expenses. To selling expenses. Selling expenses is 2,000. Selling and distribution expenses combined is 3,000. Because distribution expenses is 1,000. Right? So in that case, let's tally this. If I tally this, this is 21,500. Yeah, I missed an entry. 21,500. 21,500. This is going to be to net profit carried out. Net profit carried out is going to be 11,850. Right? Let's make working note to reconcile the two. Working note. What do you put in working note? Those entries that are not similar. That means those figures that are not similar. Particulars, P&L, debit, credit, cost sheet. Right? Let's start. Now, direct material 2,500 and material is 3,000 and closing stock was 500. So direct material is still 2,500. Fine. Next, let's see this direct wages is 1,000 and 1,000. So no problem with direct wages. Next, factory overheads is 3,000 and whereas factory overheads, see guys, can you please see this? Your indirect wages and factory expenses combine together to make your factory overheads. So factory overheads in P&L is 2,500 whereas in cost sheet it is 3,000. So this amount is different, right? Then you have office overheads is not given to you. Sales overheads. Selling overheads is 2,200 in cost sheet and 3,000 in P&L. Sales overheads is 3,000 in P&L and 2,200 in cost sheet, right? Then sales figure is same. Okay. Now there are certain entries that are there only in the cost sheet. For example, you have bad debts.
Only the P&L.
Only the P&L. Bad debts is 100 in P&L and it is not recorded in the cost sheet. Then you have interest on OD. Interest on OD is 50 in P&L, not recorded in the cost sheet. Then besides that you have profit on sale of asset. Profit on sale of asset, 1000. Right? Once this is done, then you can make your cost reconciliation statement. Cost reconciliation statement. Particulars, rupees, costing profit, add, less, financial profit. Right? Costing profit you have calculated is 11,300. Right? Let's start. Factory overheads is more in cost sheet, therefore it will come in add column. Factory overheads, it is more by 500. Next, sales overheads is less in cost sheet, so it will come in less column. Sales overheads is less by 800. Bad debts is less in cost sheet, so it will come in less column. Bad debts amount is 100. Similarly, interest on OD is less in cost sheet. Interest on OD is less in cost sheet. Right? Now, profit on sale of asset is less in cost sheet, but it is a credit side entry. Since it's a credit side entry, it will come in more column. Profit on sale of asset. Profit on sale of asset, 1000. So this is going to be 1500, 11,000, 12,800. This is 950. So when we subtract, this should come to 11,850, which tallies with the net profit of P&L. Right? Which shows that the sum tallies. Right? This finishes the sum. We'll stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.